Good morning, everyone. Today is the 7th of April, 2022. We are on our way to Nakhon Si Thammarat province, going to drop our nephew off at Walailak University in Tasala district, and then we're going to check out some beach in Sichon and Khanom district. So let's go. Come along with us. See what Sichon and Khanom have to offer. We'll see you there in Sichon. Going through mountains in Nakhon Si Thammarat province. There you go, Walailak University. Driving to the dome. Quick stop at PTT gas station. Wari need to use bathroom. Alright, we have the gas station, stopping for quick bathroom. There's some food here, even a pizza, meat on stick.
Rather cool looking PTT. They're all nice, but this one's particularly unique.
Yeah. Great like his transformer. Bird Amazon lah. Birdie.
Go to PTT Parrot Farm. Looks like they're feeding.
A bunch of them, huh? The superhero here. It's along the parking lot. A lot of vendors selling food. Alright, Greg going to eat sauces here. Well, that one's spicy, this one's sour, and this one original. One for 20 baht. Good. Okay, you got it. Let's see. Yeah. She shop now. Thank you. It'll be a little over an hour before we make to the resort that we're going to stay tonight. So we're going to go and eat noodle soup here. We sit. We have a little table on the side of the 7-Eleven. We're going to sit here. Here's my noodle soup.
Marie's favorite.
Yeah.
My favorite.
It's a pink noodle soup called yen da pho in Thailand. My favorite one, and here
Green
great
noodle soup.
green
Yup,
noodle
mee
clear.
kiao.
Yeah, called mee yok mee kiao. It's clear
Dumpling.
soup, and great love it.
Sausage.
So you have what's that? Wonton and pork.
Wonton.
Yeah,
Bread.
yeah, and green called mee yok green noodle. Okay, let's eat so we can get going before dark. All right, we have made to the camper resort in Sichon. Going to stay here tonight and maybe tomorrow night. It's look pretty nice and the price not that bad. Quiet. Look like tonight only going to be us here, which is cool. We love it. Welcome to the camper, and we're going to stay right here tonight. Right here, this one, the second one from the ocean. So there's a dome, and yeah, the bathroom on the side. Private bathroom. Let's see how is this. Okay. Nice. Welcome to freaking Thailand. That's how we drive on the road. A scooter pulling a kid on a bicycle. Good morning, everyone. Well, we stayed at the Camper Resort last night. Now it is breakfast time. Let's see what they got. Greg already waiting over there. Let me see. Let me see. Car. Yep. What
My
we
style,
got?
American style breakfast
Yes.
on the beach.
That will be Wari breakfast. This is Greg one. And there's coffee over there. We can get more. And this is the view where we eating breakfast. Nice. Some kind of fruit look like a pineapple. But nope, I don't think you can eat it. Cool. It looked like a grenade to me. Alright, time to go get something to eat. Lunchtime, and we will check out some beach in this area in Sichon and Khanom. Look down this way, the resort that we stay is down there. So yeah, you go. So that where we stay, see?
Swing.
Yeah, that's the swing where we stay. Yeah, this is nice view.
Yeah.
We are at Khanom Beach. Let's go take a look. Yeah, nice parking area. Ready, mister? We are at Khanom National Park. Yeah, it's pretty nice view. Mountain ride again.
Are we up north?
No. Okay, lunchtime in Khanom area. The place called Phong Klun on Khanom Beach in Khanom district. It's nice little area and the food look good so far. All right, our lunch ready. หาดคอเขา in Khanom district Nakhon Si Thammarat. หาดคอเขา beach. Right after finish walking on the beach, now Greg get himself coconut ice cream.
40 บาทจ้า
เท่าไหร่นะคะ
40 บาทจ้ะ
40 exactly like you know
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ยังกะรู้
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ I'm getting one myself Yay Khanom Beach in Nakhon Si Thammarat yeah at one point this area pretty popular you can tell a lot of resorts a lot of beach bar beach restaurant but right now not too good the camper alright time to walk the beach right in front of our hotel resort nice beach mountain in the background Alright, back to our resort, hotel, whatever. The camper. That's it. Sichon seafood. Let me get one.
Yeah, we didn't reserve the temperature.
We are going to have dinner at Sichon seafood restaurant. Seem to be popular in this area, so and we saw a good review. So it's right on the canal. It came in from the ocean. It look nice, open area. Little quiet, of course, only. All right, our dinner ready. So what? Is it spicy stir fry bitter bean and shrimp? And then what? Your favorite dish?
Favorite, called shrimp ring.
Yeah, shrimp ring, like
Yes,
a.
yeah.
This is.
This is very good.
This is go on this fish.
It goes on here, the fried
Yeah.
fish.
It's fried fish, the whole fish fry.
That's the
So-
traditional vegetable.
Yep.
We order
And
some
we
rice.
only order place of rice. Looking good. All right. Start.